Assalamualaikum. Today's picture description is about chromatin structure. As you already know, DNA is present in the cell within the nucleus in the form of condensed structure which is called chromatin. And when we see this chromatin under electron microscope, its structure appears just like beads on the strings, where the beads are actually nucleosomes and the string is double-stranded helical DNA. And when we zoom in the structure of nucleosomes under the electron microscope, we see that it is a combination of histone octamers on which DNA is wrapped twice. Now, these histone octamers either are methylated or acetylated. If they are methylated, they form the highly condensed type of the chromatin, which is called heterochromatin, and if they are acetylated, they form the type of the chromatin which is called euchromatin. Now, to remember the fact which DNA is active and is available for the transcription, keep in mind E for euchromatin, E for expressed, A for acetylated, and A for active. So to remember, actually euchromatin is expressed and active form of the chromatin that is present in mitotic cells and are available easily for transcription. So as it is active and expressed, it is less condensed and hence appears lighter on the electron microscope. On the other hand, H for heterochromatin and H for highly condensed and M for methylated and M for mute. So heterochromatin is a type of the chromatin that is highly condensed and therefore it is mute or it is not uh, present for transcription or not available for the transcription. This type of chromatin is present in the cells that are mitotically inactive cells, for example inactive X chromosomes or bar bodies. So that's all about today's picture description. Hope you like it, and if you want me to describe some specific topics, specific clinical picture, table, diagram, share it in the comment section below. Till then, do like, share and comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Dr. Javeria Javeen Official for more such videos. Till then, stay connected. Take care. Allah Hafiz.